How to increase tablet volume. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you trying to increase the volume on your Android tablet but not sure where the settings are? Don't worry at all. This is a quick and easy tutorial and I'll guide you through the steps. First thing to do is to go ahead and unlock your Android tablet, and step 1 is to use the physical volume buttons. Look at the sides of your Android tablet and you will find two different buttons, volume up and the volume down button. Press the volume up button a few times until you reach your desired sound level. When you press the volume button, a slider will appear on the screen. You can also drag the slider upward to increase the volume and downwards to decrease the volume. Your tablet may have separate volume controls for media, ringtone, and alarm. Make sure that the media volume is turned up if you want a louder sound in videos or apps. Make sure that you have also turned off the silent or the do not disturb button. Another way to control your volume is to go open the Settings app. Inside Settings, look for Sound, and under Sound, you will see all types of volume sliders. From here, you can adjust all volume types using the slider. For example, if you want to increase or decrease the volume of the media, you may go ahead and slide the media option. Similarly, you can also go ahead and adjust the notification or the alarm volume according to your preference. So there you have it. That is how you can easily control your volume settings in your Android tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.